student, we will start the main question number 4. Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Draw its altitudes and denote the orthocenter by O. Altitude means three altitude intersect each other at a certain point. The certain point is called orthocenter and which is always denoted by O. So first of all, we will draw the one obtuse angle triangle LMN. Now altitude is always making 90 degree and always be a straight. Altitude is means height. In a mathematical language, height is called altitude. So how we can draw an altitude in a obtuse angle triangle? So first of all, student, we will extend the segment LM and MN. So I have extended. Now set your set square on point L and perpendicular on segment MN. MM को हमने एक्सटेंड किया था आगे, तो वो परपेंडिकुलर है, इसको भी हम आगे एक्सटेंड कर देंगे बिकॉज एल्टीट्यूड इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो एल से जो हमारा एल्टीट्यूड निकला है स्ट्रेट, उसको हमने डिनोट किया है ए. नाउ पुट योर सेट स्क्वायर ऑन पॉइंट एन like this and make a one straight line passing through the n. Altitude is having 90 degree. Extend this line also with a dotted line. Extend it because altitude is a height. Height is always be straight. In obtuse angle triangle, we want to extend the sides and draw an altitude. Give this name as B. Now set your set square on point M like this, on point M, and draw a one line passing through the M. So student, here orthocenter we can get below the triangle because this is an obtuse angle triangle. You want to draw an altitude and in obtuse angle triangle, so you can extend this side and draw the altitude. Now here orthocenter we can get below angle. Now orthocenter means three altitude intersect each other. It is called orthocenter and it is always denoted by O. So here we get the orthocenter O. Hope you people can understood the construction of question 4th. Very much easy. Straight line C, all the altitude is making 90 degree. A, B, C, and here orthocenter we get the below the triangle. This is a orthocenter denoted by O. So the construction of 4th question, hope you people can understand, draw properly in your fair notebook. This is an orthocenter O. The intersection point of altitude is always called orthocenter and it is always denoted by O. So come to the next question, 5th one. Draw a right angle triangle XYZ. Draw its medians and show their point of concurrence by G. And in altitude, the point of concurrence is called orthocenter and it is always denoted by O. And in a median, the point of concurrence is called centroid and it is also always denoted by G. So first of all, you people will draw the one right angle triangle. You people all are familiar with the right angle triangle. Draw a base and take a 90 degree and draw one right angle triangle. Whatever measure you people want, take it now and draw a one right angle triangle and give this right angle triangle as a name XYZ. XYZ. Now here we want to draw the medians. So what is the method to draw the median? First of all, you people will draw the perpendicular bisector with the help of perpendicular bisector, draw the median. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? Take a more than half of any side. But here we want to draw the three medians, so we will take the all the three bisector. First of all, we will take YZ. Take more than half, put on Z, upper arc, lower arc, and one time put on Y, upper arc, lower arc. Now you people will get these 2 points, upper side and lower side. Now join this arc with the help of scale. Draw these 2 point with the help of scale like this. Draw it. I will draw by denoted by dotted line, because I will draw the median as a simple plain line. So this is point. I'll give the name P. Whatever name you want, take it. Expect XYZ. Now draw a one line XP. Joint XP. This is the one median of a triangle XYZ. Similarly, we will take a more than half of XZ. We'll take a more than half of XZ. One time put on X, draw upper arc and lower arc. Another time put on another point and again draw the upper side arc and lower side arc. You people get a fine point. Now join these 2 points with the help of scale, denoted by dotted line. Join this 2 point with the help of scale properly. Now I want to draw the median also. You people will get here point Q. So joint QY. Joint QY. This is the next point. मिनट के बाद आ जाओ ना, 10 मिनट के बाद आ जाओ ना. This is in median. Now similarly we can draw the third median. Take a more than half of XY. One time put on Y and draw the upper arc and lower arc, and another time put on X and draw the upper arc and lower arc. Like this. No matter, you can extend the arc also if you are not getting the fine point, so you people will extend the arc. Now join these 2 points with the help of scale. Join these 2 points with the help of scale. Join these 2 points. First of all, you people will get the proper point, then you will joint it. With the help of scale, draw a one line denoted by dot. Now here you people will get the 1 point. Give a name as PQR and joint RZ. This is the third median of our right angle triangle. Here our 5th question is completed. Now the point of concurrence is denoted by G, and the point of concurrence is called centroid. Hope you people can understood the question number 5. Draw this question, construct this question in your fair notebook properly, and any problem you have, just ask me. The point of concurrence of a median is denoted by G and it is called centroid.